Good morning, sir. I am T. Revati from the Department of ECE in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today, my topic about Bakelite. Let us now discuss about preparation, properties, and application of Bakelite. Introduction. This presentation explores Bakelite, a thermosetting plastic known for its durability and wide range of applications, including electrical insulators and household items. Preparation of Bakelite. Synthesis process. Bakelite is synthesized through a condensation reaction between phenol and formaldehyde. This process involves mixing these chemicals in the presence of a catalyst and heating them to create a malleable intermediate that can be molded into various shapes before curing it into a solid form. Raw materials. The primary raw materials for bakelite production and are phenol and formaldehyde. Additional pillars and activities may be included to enhance certain properties. These materials are crucial for achieving the desired characteristics such as thermal stability and mechanical strength. Polymerization techniques. The polymerization of bakelite typically involves both the heat and pressure. These processes can vary based on the intended applications, with the techniques such as bulk solution or emulsion polymerization used to optimize properties like viscosity and curing time. Properties of bakelite. Thermal resistance. Bakelite exhibits excellent thermal resistance, making it suitable for high temperature applications. It does not easily wrap or degrade under heat, which is vital for products like electrical insulators and cooking utensils. Chemical stability. Bakelite is highly resistant to chemical reactions, including acids and bases. This stability extends its lifespan in various environments, making it ideal for applications in libraries and chemical industries. Mechanical strength. Bakelite possesses high mechanical strength, which allows it to endure significant stress and strain without cracking. These properties makes it valuable in manufacturing items requiring durability, such as tools and automotive parts. Applications of Bakelite. Electrical components of Bakelite. Due to its insulating properties and thermal stability, bakelite is widely used in electrical components like switches, plugs, and circuit boards. It ensures safety and durability in electrical applications. Household items. Bakelite find numerous applications in household items, including kitchenware, toys, and decorative objects. It offers not only durability but also a glossy finishing. Industrial uses of bakelite. In industrial settings, bakelite is used for manufacturing gates, bearings, and various machine parts. Its strength, thermal stability, and wear resistance make it essential for the longevity of machinery. Conclusion. Bakelite's unique properties, including thermal resistance, chemical stability, and mechanical strength, enable it use in numerous applications across various industries, from household items to electrical components. Understanding these properties allowing for better utilization in innovation designs. Thank you for giving this opportunity.